Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is the last alternate card using elements from the February 2023 paper pumpkin kit called Sunshine and Smiles. What I've got is a basic white card base, and I took one of the cards, it was this one here, and I cut the back off so that I could use it as a mat. I left it at that 5.5 by 4.25. And then I took the inside, I don't think I've got any of them left now. I took the inside of one of the cards and I cut it down to 5.25 by 4. And this was white along the bottom. And I used my Granny Apple Green and my blending brush to, basically I just put it along and blended some grass in. I've stamped Friends in Any Kind of Weather on one of the tags in Balmy Blue. And I'm just going to dimensionalize that onto the bottom of the card. And I'm going to use my tweezers. I found sometimes it can help me to get things straight if I don't have my fingers in the way. So there we go. Perfect. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop down some of the clouds, but I would just, before I do anything else, I want to just make sure that I've got everything the way I want it to be. So I've got the little bunny there, and I shortened up this kite string. This one's regular length. I shortened this one up so it would fit, and I stamped it in Granny Apple Green. So that one's going to go there like that. I've got the turtle, or tortoise I guess, because it's on land. And I've trimmed off the end so it looks like the string's going right into his hands. And that one can go that way, but I want it to come over a bit because I want some room for the little chickie who has an umbrella in the windy weather and is getting picked up by the umbrella. So I've trimmed this off as well so it looks like it's right in the duckie's hand, like that. So this is where I wanted to just make sure I have room for all the pieces. Okay, so I am going to flat mount this cloud down. It's going to pop it like that. It's okay if the kite overlaps it a little bit. And this one's going to go here and the kite can overlap it a little bit too. So really we're just making a picture story. There we go, like that. I'm going to take the bunny. Like I say, almost everything gets dimensionalized in this. So take the bunny, put a couple of dimensionals on him. Pop him in like this, and then I'm going to put a dimensional on the back of the kite, and then just a little tiny bit of adhesive just on the end there so that it sticks to his hand. I'm going to put that down like that, and then bring the kite in. There we go. And now let's do the tortoise, and we'll put one there like that. And one there like that. And we'll pop him down like this. The same thing, we're going to put a dimensional on the back of the kite and put some adhesive just on the end, the kite string, so that it sticks to the tortoise's hand. And we just need to kind of place it so it makes sense. There we go, just like that. And now we can take our little ducky and we can put a dimensional on the back of the ducky and a dimensional on the back of the umbrella. And I just need to, I'm going to place the ducky down so that I can place the umbrella properly. And I'm going to have the umbrella tipping just a little bit because the kites look like they're flying that way. So I'm going to have the umbrella going that way as well. And then little ducky hanging off the umbrella, just like that. So there we've got a really pretty card. It's kind of a happy day. Everybody's having fun, blue sky day, few clouds, really windy though, so friends in any kind of weather. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this series of Paper Pumpkin for February 2023.